Amanfo bisa say eti Okatakyie Afrifa men so way. Almost a week in the woman for the records in Shemi be a detail in being for home. And I've been getting a lot of messages in my DM. And then so because there were a lot of people who fell in love with her for the record show, especially Okatakyie Kasa no approval with evidence. And yet Kotela the NB to a young no fact. Ana obiano wa say busa o say what's me boa bra ne be ya no na wo so ko evidence up so ni pakro ne be ya no. Enye sad na na koso e wo for the record so I want the na detail no e fact upon fact pound for pound. Omo mo to do mo ma show ring na busa akwoti sen. You will be surprised to say a whole government etimia manipulating a Ghana sat I friend Ghana satellite just to interrupt for the records internet servicing with this shaming normal Emma if we are seeing will be our door for the record we never heard of. Buying with me spending huge amounts of money to attack just one person. Now any people say almost 80 Okatakyie Afrifa mensa or a big sir Ghana a commerce card why a friend a budget na they share Ghana no yetimi nye bi spend on obia NDC penifo who say we enemy to the party seriously. Nah, 2025 budget no a year Ghana commerce no. Say em Ghana no, after ye dey hwen tamfo. Ghana NDC dia on. E dey be hwe self kakra go ho. Since the budget ye make ho asem. We've been busy. Be atena se. Ye man komo ne yetenten, na hwe be hwe do ma. Na me monra wo mo bubu so Okatakyie ho nsem ne kakra ne hwa de wa. Obekaya about 3 weeks ago Accra FM, Okatakyie cohort after Nana Romeo invited the one brother Muninko movie about Ghana politics. It got to a point where Okatakyie says on list some differences. But the video we're going to watch, and yet the details of the video no said you would see no and they important. You could hear the way we see it me cutting on input no. I brought Okatakyie Accra FM. Here we are the Okatakyie Afrifa and one the hair no. I just want to prove to you, sir. Say I know my way a question no. And yet, a deal no more got a chill. That's an example I want carry details and a fact no and yet cry. So what? Will be our cassa fact any details be any head and how a head day and how be a head see what I cry for a couple of weeks. I go see them see Okatakyie brand now or war online. I will cry.
I think the NT a lot of people have a problem with me. Especially when coming to this platform, it's the perceived idea that I belong to the other side. Yeah. But if I belong to the other side, my man can be a mama call XYZ. Okay. Now the entire me call XYZ and they say, in fact, no madam for Pani Julius Debra. I'm not sure whether our friendship is still the same. Okay. But a friend said me mama no. I knew say XYZ here, extreme NDC station. Yet you come and say man penning for both MPP and NDC. Okosrowa. We are very close. Where's your contract free? Or where your contract free? Where scratch way back? No, man can be a 2 form for no 8 room say. We NDC near and Conquer MPP station. We NPP near and Conquer. So one of the things that made me go to XYZ was that I didn't care. I wanted to break that jinx of we MPP need, so you cannot work on an NDC station. So MPP need, that's a Jata cement. Ibrahim Mahama be a year factory. Now so frose be now betting me I don't know I
was say ebi a wo hwe me na TV article. This is what happened when Okatakyie was on Accra FM, a show with Nana Romeo. Say they see a pepe e wo hodom. Efiri me ha. Enti enye enne I don't say so mo attack Okatakyie Afrifa. Last week a similar situation happened. But the Emma way no a surprise and they say one, it's 2 times. One night. It happened 2 times. Omo kato Okatakyie. Abroad no one if you know. Now was back. No massa catching. Already there have been evidence that say NDC penifo including omo cabinet ministers nibi except for the records. Camera chom VR chom several times I'm a medical about prove chem hadada. And you know it. Atto Forson for the records. And it makes me feel like were they just watching Okatakyie just to see the number of views on Mujinaso? And I said that time last 2 weeks neighbor na NDC penifo sharing now what the monitor the system no and answer there. Many can say the surprising aspect of it all. Again, and I said, what you know, Okatakyie, the compound, why? So Okatakyie, baby, and the studio, no one. Who in your internet? That's the data that I'm getting, the feedback that I'm getting. Who in your internet? Oh, I would just say, well, I will show me. Who feel internet, you know, but who call neighbor or don't know internet or and also pay free for your all the other houses internet working. Who pay free will make game say Kima internet need them. I saw 4, 5, 6 bars net them. But when you right inside that jurisdiction, that internet article. So my question is, how much is the government spending on Okatakyie Afrifa alone just to make sure say Okatakyie team for the records emblem? Uti. In same way, do well to the sense also Okatakyie do this year. NDC penifo ni bi timi dia fa na nanoma kese na nanoma hemfa kese ni bi so. Se omo no Okatakyie nkasa no mo stop no. We no so ye nananoma Okatakyie fere omo pa o. After sabotaging him, whilst I was shimmy no. Omo to nananoma kese bi nso agu ne pona no. A se ekoba na akwa te se Okatakyie mu omo. One thing I would like to tell Okatakyie Afrifa is, Shana one fat contract be and free Kesbin FM, Kesbin TV. One video, how many times that go viral? Every TV station be a Ghana biara or map bloggers, any other media houses the opportunity. Someone taking a video and fan castle. Omu ko manim dita because omu ko manim si omu makajira. Kesbin, even on your TV book for Kesbin. TV the content Kesbin be man copyright. And once say Kesbin no more castle Kesbin no, it's very high. This say be a TikTok or not on the copyright in your jumasa. But say Facebook, YouTube, oko for Kesbin video. Obe ma copyright I want hit me say what channel or no man ye. It will be on form videos. Okatakyie me. And you want say since open one of the most listened radio stations in Ghana, Kesbin and Cafe Street who be. Omo Jimmy, Opemso radio, Kurano, I free mention, Mr. Kesbin to me more copyright. As my make campaign for me, no money be a me patry. Omo to me more copyright. Nanya Sama, BBC Krama copyright, CNN Krama copyright, a stage now with your broadcasting news here. Oko time will be the other castle. See a cassia ma copywriter, Kesbin, so can TV station in Quebec. Into Okatakyie. And Tom when you mun Kesbin the heck why you asma me can and no pafa. The offers that are started coming from various media houses near the Uko pen one some Kesbin. And any radio station be belonging to Kesbin, they want to shatter you one person more jaw. Because no creepy Okatakyie can mood. After the budget in one, Atto Forson back no. Afena, sorry, tia was about no Okatakyie in why they pa wouldn't be here because there were a lot of errors in the budget, and a one person will back can WhatsApp. Mati say, Ghana internet no one better be usual. Do we a Ghana new and so to Ghana and yes, Okatakyie man use Ghana internet. Opeso will use Starlink, a company that was built in 2002. Almost satellite to be almost told recently. Elon Musk companies here be Starlink. Who so use almost dish in it. Send a bear independent on a certain network or meet me a cut or say the NDC for the day. And an animal so chung or delay or man were confused. That's about 2-3 days ago, and I may tell you say when you're Starlink and when you're set up maybe. But the delay, no. And all the juicy offers from stations with seconds in one. For the record thing that you are building is far bigger than any radio station in Ghana currently. What many views is saying? Nana no make us actually about me be saying Nana be any one Ghana who come here because I know some mechanical. Regardless of the offer, it will Okatakyie. Say Nana again say one of the about one so about now come just ready. Ahini no na nyamede ne ba so meya. What about someone so the nyamede buy and so be kind of crash Ghana and we will just shut out. Do what you think is right. And me pemono sa na no mo person mo shut out you know Okatakyie. O man e be ba na say aka say nyame aye oye. Sa de na wo ye ne ye nto ase afi no Okatakyie ya to ase. I've heard say in less than 3-4 days you want to come back. It was supposed to be about 4 days ago. Our Saka Starlink, you know, set up, no. But delay because of the any baby person or catcher or any offense be a man for person with the. We are looking forward to meeting you. And I know, sir, we are bold and courageous person. You'll be the deciding man. You'll be the make your decisions now. And I know you bounce back stronger. And we'll be shut out. The whole Ghana will be a will be a teal. If the NDC, I repeat, if the NDC thinks a fake viewers the show, Mongolia for the show, Venezuela for the show, why are they bothered? Okatakyie Afrifa mess. Think about this. Obi a wait me want enter this basic fact here say. If say a fake viewers the show, then I didn't know one person Okatakyie beba online. If say the facts in any engine so a tron one Okatakyie Afrifa men say for the records eka a dainty and a happy no more. Why is the government spending so much money on one person? Okatakyie Afrifa. Yes, some of the money say on you. Yeah, they tatano. Yeah, that's sumu. Me no can say it's so grand. They been winning up. No to the activities of Galam say these are not problems to the government, but Okatakyie is a problem to the government. Me no can say 2025 budget. Kasi Atto Forson ebe kinke munsam. Public Financial Management Act. Through their activities and their acts, and they will call Kasi Atto Forson. I bet watch Kasi Atto Forson. No more busano 2-3 questions to say. Taxes now also was carrying. The emission levy no I was carrying. And loss is saying an emission levy abayano e make here, and against is saying an abayano make here. Atto Forson bekas is 0. Value added tax. VAT a motor insurance so NDC for so much cabin and also through the acts of the public financial management. Obey announce 0. Only because these taxes do not exist in the system. Oko pimo Ghana system ni mo. Obi ni wa so otua eye emframa bone ka ehon ka e wo Ghana. Say ni motor to musie otua ho ka. Ana wan kasa wo carbon dioxide a wan home ekwa abonti ana say wo ka bi to musie no utua ho tax inframa bone bi ye tua ho tax the emission levy obi ni wo betimi edi ho adan say the machine bi tua set taxes ana wo no mu tua set tax but in the budget they said so much scrap it enye ja any criticism and ebi ni mo pen o kre any gu Kasi Atto Forson the trimu a ene ne so a na ko de brofo kakra bi
Ghana Statistical Service, ne Finance Ministry, ne Bank of Ghana for her data. No, come back and say, obe grow by 9%. Benye sa no ye yenti no mo hwe no say growth no so beti about 4.4% because some mommy economists. Omo hwe document ni mo no. Me catch say ya hwe data no. Omo hwe data no mo say akoye de brofo BTA. Mami fa unkom.
Taxes never know the brofo BT.
Oh, the brofo BT mo.
Semper FM.
Enra or announce say 6 taxes say we abolish it.
Yes.
Until we hear pro NDC media networks now, my artwork, the 6 taxes that have been abolished. Yankum. Emissions levy.
Yes.
Withholding tax on lotto.
Yes.
VAT on motor insurance.
Withholding tax on lotto, aka betting tax.
Remember how? Maybe 6 and say make okay. COVID,
yes.
E-levy, 1.5 withholding on gold exports.
Yes.
Those were the 6 major taxes. Yes.
You added COVID?
Yeah. Oh, would you share artwork now almost share? No, there's a
where your mom artwork now? Okay.
Almost 6. Okay. Emissions levy, withholding tax on lotto, VAT on motor insurance, COVID, E-levy, 1.5 on withholding gold exports.
Okay.
Emissions levy, no crescem rano ya pass it down. But obie ni wa obi to me atene in such a yankopon him say utua emissions levy or Ghana.
Inti with we scrapping or be scrapping the law no to repeal the law.
O say o pese o create relief for Ghanaians.
Yes.
Now we to be a Ghana ni no utua
efriho.
Efriho.
Okay.
emissions levy nye to obi a Ghana ni bia.
Zero rated for now.
Obi entua. Me nkan for obi entua. Obi any multimedia fee has say obi to me akase otua emissions levy. It is a finance minister be kase taxes 6 first one emissions levy a ahobrasiem. Oni BBM free ho because BBM ni ho e zero. Eda odim rane be basa or be scrap no.
Yes.
Public Financial Management Act say on and fiscal impact. As yet say sika hin na yahre. Until last year hin ye nyae. Ubo se sada no be ansan say zero.
Meaning say yen starting ye J.
Ye nyahwe wo ho. Ye nyo bia emissions tax.
But the law should go. It should not be there.
Eda ho ye nyusu. Ekwa interest relief biaba because ewo ho no kra ye nyi obi ho. And if you want to create the impression say where you relief be fig enter am say or the bro for you.
Okay.
BBN ho. VAT on motor insurance. Check your last motor insurance away. And I'm free one insurance company say me person me double show. VAT was one now. Also you run there the hobati enye. Abaye obi antua. Until there's no relief there. And some are withholding tax on lotto and the cover confusion.
Confusion
no.
buy.
A buy.
What are you learning now? A dana.
You see, brofo no dey na no kan no. Any the reality no different.
BOG, Bank of Ghana, almost they were surprised because how the budget was no. Okay, mun say we are there chi no ma dwe bom say sana same way nyina error. E di he di hu or the brofo empo aska me wo the Bank of Ghana. That is shameful. BOG. After that, mu say mu obi eni wa wote brofo. Na say kasi adobos inte brofo che mu nyina. It is sad. What kind of country are we living in? You must in same way nyina eye arawosem. And say you can't Kofo aban. You can't Akufo aro aban. You can't Atamis aban. Boom. You can't nyina boma. Aban bi eni wa use say sika we ya Mahama person will use for 2025. E bi si yeda. What you buy? 2.7 billion Ghana cedis. What they call cɛdis anymore? What kind of trillion one in ye because a bull trillion so. One more almost share president in Wasi. A quote 9 peg. Yidi betria wonka any more allowances. Capers and count, one more capers and count. Capital expenditure account, just salary and allowances, 2.7 billion Ghana cedis. Every trillion and Ghana for it's so sad to say we don't have access to this information because the media houses 2025 budget the big media houses make us say make what I say responsible or minor call Mexico some media houses need Samima Muslim, another Samima Muslim, the deputy spokesperson to the president. Only Fosu Kwaakye and 2 other people, baby. Abayne say, Jenny and Kan wants them say 8.8 million Ghana cedis na aircode for them. 8.8 million Ghana cedis na aircode for them. No, I would call to the second way back and say 88 billion. Now, a year almost allowances, see. And almost salary, no. After that, 70 billion be a buying person or the cow no. For their capers. So we hear penny pencils, bine, and no maybe say be a quotation say one more department session as said here car binia their capital expenditure. One more fan got 700 billion Ghana cedis. And the worker Phyllis Fosu Kwaakye. Worker what is Samima Muslim, any 2 other people be on kind of one. What can we no or my salary allowances no? What can what the so mon fanto? No ma ebia that will be here and we would you medie no. You can't say Sikawe Boma. Ebusha, it is getting to 788 billion Ghana cedis. And that is what their budget is allocating to them. You see, Phyllis, for so what I will say, I go for there was these 2 ministries be to say formation ministry, communication ministry, they were 2 different ministries. But on the time, there is our ministry to be acquired by Shenase. And which American causes are. Now, maybe some say, I go for buying time. The Ministry of Information and Communication, the two of them, you come over now about 20 million Ghana cedis, and I about 200 billion Ghana cedis. You can't almost be boom poor. Now endure says Kawi. Ghana, you want to go. And the other day, and 788 billion. Air commerce I go in for. And you see, Mama Chow Bibi Kakra, Oko PMO our internet neswa. The purpose of this money is to make sure say obi biara o kasama NDC biya be hwa wo yema komonde wo da. Utie komande pa. Aban ni be provide sika ama obutumi biya obedi. Edu ko Twitter ye wo boy bi wo ho mo friend o ye Karije. Wono ni sika wom. O mana ko mo sika 2025 budget no. Sika no aye kan wasam no a Philip Fosu Kwaakye kire mu say the ministry biya be kan no hunti na Mexico no cost 780 billion everyday. Sense ka kase no. Obubuo. Enkofo bi te say enkura bi te say Karije mo wo mu sika wo Captain Smart. Oko onua TV sika is different. And a Captain Smart is sika is different. And it's also 780 billion or more canon. So according the president, the spokesperson Philip Fosu Kwaakye Samima Muslim hono. And you will be able to sponsor this idiocy. So omo make sure. So omo be chatron wa omo to so chatron wa. Kevin Ten adie wom. And it's a people do not understand. So at the end, and Ghana the whole Nigeria. And point Kebabanasa. Your population is 270 million crown one Kebabanasa. Seek it no. And what way no. It is a candy between Moka and a Sarah State crowd say. Dear Meme to which we just 2025 year. The 2026 budget, 2027 budget, 2028 budget. Dinida. You bet Sikano Manabroso, Elphys for Suquati side. Near their sponsor or illegality. Yema come on the Moncaso. Namon Casa, Emma NDC. Metro TV Genedier. Joy News Genedier. Intibaya Day and Okrano, what me here for these TV stations while they are paid. And some of the money is being used to pay IT experts. So obi biara obe kasa ama MPP biara ye hu ne se domdi wachi biara. So wa Ghana honkwa de ayen shatter o program le down. Uni sika de beto Starlink de any na utirate. And so all the youth are now turning. Youth no kasa. De me yakra ye Kumawood. Actors no. They are told almost sure no. So don't be surprised if you start seeing Kumawood actors. Some shots, some Kasama NDC. Woman so do money. Says Kaka can 788 billion no amount work and was. Woman so do money. Except few ones be a woman the multi said be yet no credit by a becca, yet fair one the politics. No matter how Kaka will be any shop comedians be a best body. How much you are money? Almost a car budget, no 788 billion. And the rest of the money is going to the so-called tax on my NDC bar power. I'll go over and lie on Yaja when I'm commercial. When you may be a bed, be a bishop, be a necessary goodie bag move. This is where the money is going, not to the benefit of the average Ghanaian. Our person who is a Papa Ghana. The saddest thing in Ghana say, they want to control what you hear, not what you want to hear, but what they want you to hear. And to penocrenetia, these kind of people are yet to never expect so much to create from mother. They are being paid to do what they are doing. And I need Yaku Meyabiaka, or Baba catch some Mahama by AJ. Yet he had Mahama did 2 years. No one yet man Ghana crab. Baba was uncle for Baba Casa or internet issue. Omanum in here. We know any moment here. Okatakyie Afrifa mensa yen pesa wo be baba kasa because the wrong that are going on. Uguta details. The budget 2025. I was a Ghana no. A NDC. Woman make kasa mo. Now TV stations and journalists are being attacked. Fellow countrymen, according to for the record, besides the government level intimidation, our systems were hacked by the axis of evil, according to for the records, who are obviously uncomfortable with the truth. No Okatakyie de battle, Hamafo bebre, Omon Pesebe Twaso. So they are attacking him. The crowd may catch you when he says Sikaway and went every for the records, I bet Kame Cattle. Which means Macra maybe woman and Mamma cut him down. We are one guy and others and Kwaakye will be What it was say the team has found and rectified the issue, but they are working around the clock to build an impenetrable system. Since Okatakyie build a system, binding Bowre or the Ghana's would use Ghana internet. Adentia, because of the truth. We hope to be back on air in the coming days. Okatakyie neka was in the coming days. Who piece will bet him yaba. Nana no munya no onye na juma. The better maybe would be because I respect you people. But when you hear me say Ghana puntua, you be body enche. Munya no money nyere juma. NDC pressure mo. Na mo some pressure na turn so. Adai. We have run go. To our numerous fans across the world, give us less than a week. We shall be back with a surprise. So that is according to Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. In less than a week. Also, beba. That details via Akabi. I'm not going 6 days. 5 days. We expect to see for the records on our screen. If only the impenetrable system now will be ordered. Sabotage and canon. We are hoping. But let me tell you, the government is willing to spend an amount of money is so unimaginable just on Okatakyie Afrifa to make sure so won't mean fan of craving real. Since some Okatakyie cannot try, why is the government so bothered? Leave him. Say they were bothered no can answer. Will be unfunny serious. Why are you bothered, NDC? Why are you bothered, Mahama? Why are you bothered? Please Fosu Kwaakye. Alright team, why are you bothered? National security, why are you so bothered? Kind of crash you in a more professional. If say a fake viewers nation Okatakyie Afrifa, why are you so bothered? Change any part of and what? I computer never any part into Okatakyie and one or so no more kasa. Why are you so bothered? If truly Central Mo channel say viewers every no need fika, why are you attacking Okatakyie? Because of one man who manipulated the Ghana satellite to monitor him wherever he goes, to interrupt the internet. How much is the government spending just because of Okatakyie Afrifa? Not to see him progress, but to make sure the Caribbean was a Ghana 40. Or me say Sikabio me say bia, no makanano atumo. Munya kenye, media mano, me kana kreno. Me body na maka, na machirem. Obeka sa kid. It's about okay, audio. Then so I was 70 Ghana okay. Acha 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. The abros why is 6-4 months. A month for being one dado. No more doing say a coddle. Nancy Malkai and I saw see a cruise pictures ba. Me share the King Ghana who was 170 that year. You want to say a kind of crash. Every more cousin Mahama say Ghana Airways or they say Babak. As I know can no cray. One video of him speaking. Sano Kano. So what year say Mahama saw the Ghana Airways ever. Have you seen a video of it? That's one video. What say you? Sano Kano. Tell me, the penny patre po me a video of Mahama saying say Ghana Airways or be simu kina amana sa back. I don't have any problem if Mahama is able to bring the Ghana Airways back. It will be good. A Ghana career. It will be beautiful. But the reason why I'm lamenting on this and say Mahama nyina baby anka sada media houses akese etimi ama the whole Ghana tenisa say Mahama say Ghana Airways or baby too one. You know the power, the kind of power the NDC is having on Ghana media houses. You have person tell on memoati. There's a video of it done. I am telling you. You have person tell I don't know what. I don't know video of it done. When I got a video of when Mahama stated categorically clear say Ghana Airways me Mahama the Sunday. It is sad that what you want my move not a particular party or sour power control the media house. Prove to me with a video how Mahama said it. When he said it. Exact words for Mahama. I was a Ghana Airways ever. And no man who said, "Oh man, I would know you are being controlled. What you want to hear, you will not hear. What the government wants you to hear, the media houses no. I can see no. They are told to feed you with what they want you to hear. No grand one more day, but no yasas here. Sabotage or more. Just because you want to amend the constitution and get another 4 years, After these 4 years, when you are kidding me, in case of any update, you better say, if the Racords Shut-Down, Mahama will come back after 4 years. I done anyway. When in some, I don't know, my Atto Okatakyie Afrifa, Mesa, Namabe Krumo, Namabe, and so I'm watching. The Ecoso, our Ghana politics, we better share near D. A home come on my crab.
K1ng oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the start also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Sorted. India temni. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a focus free a bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, K1ng modern. K1ng will try.